Okay guys, I'm gonna walk you through my routine one step at a time so you know when and how to use these products. The very first thing I do in the morning with my breakfast is drink a big glass of water and take 2 capsules of hair, skin, and nails. It's really important to remember to take this with food, so don't miss that step. My hair is usually on the dry side, and it's extremely porous, so it makes it fairly prone to breakage. And then my nails are also a little bit soft. So overall, I just wanted my skin to be healthier. Hair, skin, and nails is helping nourish from the inside out. This product is key because it's kind of the big picture part of your routine. I'll show you the other products that are targeting specific areas, but this is the one that's contributing overall to getting healthier skin. It's definitely one step you do not want to skip. Step 2 should be obvious, but sadly a lot of people miss this in their routine. I'm actually a little bit embarrassed to admit that I was one of them for a very long time in college, and that is washing. Washing away dirt and oil and makeup is so important to allow your skin to breathe and recover, especially at night when your body is really trying to renew and regenerate itself. So how do you do that in a simple, effective way? I'm so glad you asked. It Works Refresh. It's a cleansing gel that is super easy to apply. You'll need a small amount, and you work it into your hands like this, and you get this nice foamy lather. You see that? I only used a tiny bit, and it really does go such a long way. So my skin is combination, so that means I have an oily T-zone and then normal to dry in the other areas. So I don't like using really strong soaps, but this product worked so well for that. I got such a good lather. Plus, if you have sensitive skin, this product is amazing for shaving your legs. My skin was not dry or irritated at all after using It Works Refresh. And you just get this nice, clean, soothing feel after you use it. You can also see that there's chamomile in it, so it really just makes this a great prep product. All right, so now that my skin is nice and clean, I'm ready to keep going with my morning routine. Next up is going to be It Works Radiance. It's a super cute little dropper bottle. This is a serum, and it's really concentrated, so you only need just a couple drops. Definitely don't want to overdo it with this. And you don't need that much. You can see what I put on here, and it's just so light and silky. It just spreads really easily and evenly across your face and neck. It actually has this cool little ingredient called hyaluronic acid, which is really super popular in skincare right now. This helps with hydration, so you can put it all over, and I just love how smooth it makes my skin feel. So one more pro tip for you guys. I did some research, and if you have oily skin, you'll only want to apply It Works Radiance in the evening. If you're like me though, and you have combination skin or even normal to dry skin, you can actually use this as part of your daytime routine too. It really helped me using it 2 times a day. My skin wasn't drying out at all. I just had to avoid applying it to areas like my T-zone, and then I would just concentrate it on the other areas of my face that were a little bit more dry. All right, so last step in my morning routine is It Works Protect. Again, you only need a small amount of this because it spreads so easily. It's got that nice fresh scent. I have a thing for that. And it really just goes on so smooth. This day cream is going to help protect and shield your skin throughout the day. It's really important to use your serum first because a serum is meant to penetrate deeper in the skin. So apply your serum to your freshly washed face and then go ahead and apply your Protect Day Cream. Okay, so that is it for my morning routine. I feel great, my skin is looking great, and I am ready to put my makeup on and face my day. All right, so now I'm ready for my evening routine. I'm gonna start it the exact same way I did in the morning by washing my face, and yes, twice a day, very important. It's gonna get off all that makeup and dirt that may have gotten caked on your face throughout the day, so I just used the It Works Refresh Cleansing Gel. Right before bed, I've washed my face and I feel really good, so my last step is to apply the It Works Repair. Now, since I have combination skin, I'm going to add just a couple drops of the Radiance because I need that extra moisture in just a few areas. This might not be what you need, but do whatever works for you. Just like Protect, I'm only using a little bit and I'll gently rub it into my face and neck. Repair is super gentle and I didn't experience any side effects like redness or dry skin. I want my skin to look nice and even and keep that smooth look and texture, so I knew I needed to add a night cream to my routine. The best tip I could ever give is to start using a good repair system to prevent the fine lines and wrinkles before you get them, because we all know prevention is always the best way to go. Repair is perfect for that. It's going to be minimizing those fine lines and wrinkles and giving you that amazing smooth skin. That, my friends, is the BeautyWorks system. It's working really well for me. It's a simple routine that is super easy for me to follow. And honestly, once I got into the routine, I started seeing really great results. My skin just feels nice and clean, and I have this glow. And my skin feels softer and smoother. I feel confident with how I look. So if you've been looking for a better skincare system, this is definitely a great choice. It's worked really well for me, and I'm confident it'll do the same for you.